Imagine a quiet morning. Suddenly, the sky brightens. A giant asteroid is heading for us. Will we learn to defend our home? Welcome back. Today, we explore asteroid defense, space gifts, faster-than-light travel, and clean energy from the moon. This is our future. For millions of years, we were at the mercy of the cosmos. But NASA's DART mission proved we can change an asteroid's path. Scientists are developing gravity tractors. A heavy spacecraft flies alongside an asteroid, its tiny pool slowly tugging the rock away from Earth. Laser ablation turns asteroid rock into gas, acting like a rocket engine to push it away. This technology is being tested right now. Why spend money on space? Because GPS, MRI scanners, and modern smartphones all rely on technology originally developed for the stars. In zero gravity, we grow perfect crystals to cure diseases and create stronger materials. Solving space problems helps us live better on Earth. To reach Alpha Centauri, 24 trillion miles away, we need to break the ultimate speed limit. Our current rockets are too slow. The Alcubierre Warp Drive bends space-time itself. We squeeze space in front and stretch it behind, like a wave, to move the ship. The ship sits in a warp bubble, surfing on space-time. If mastered, we could reach the stars in weeks, not centuries. To power such a drive, we need dark energy. Understanding this force could help us create the warp bubbles needed for interstellar travel. Before the stars, we must return to the moon for fuel. It is covered in helium-3, trapped in lunar soil for billions of years. Helium-3 is the perfect fuel for clean nuclear fusion. Just 25 tons could power the entire United States for a year. With 1 million tons on the moon, we could power the world for millennia. The moon is a giant battery for humanity. Imagine a world powered by the moon, free from pollution. We are moving from scarcity to abundance by finding resources elsewhere. Astrophysics teaches us our origins. Every atom in our bodies was forged in a dying star. We are, literally, made of stardust. The Big Bang's glow is the blueprint of the universe. It is the greatest history book written in the light of distant galaxies. Wormholes are shortcuts through space-time, like tunnels through mountains. Math says they could exist, allowing us to step across the galaxy. What will we find out there? New planets, blue oceans, or other civilizations. Every step brings us closer to answering life's biggest questions. We are the generation that decides our fate. We have the technology. We just need the courage to build our galactic future. Satellites monitor Earth's health, tracking forests and melting ice. This data is our most powerful tool to fight climate change. Modern solar panels were first developed for spacecraft. Pushing limits in the void brings back tools that make our lives cleaner here. In 50 years, the moon will be our 8th continent, a hub for science, industry, and a stepping stone to Mars. Jupiter's moons, Europa and Enceladus, have hidden oceans. Finding even a single microbe there would be the greatest discovery in history. Engaging a warp drive will be the moment we become a galactic species. The universe will finally become our neighborhood. From stone tools to warp drives, our story is about overcoming limits. Our curiosity is our greatest strength as explorers. By studying astrophysics, we are building an early warning system for solar storms, protecting our digital world from the sun's fury. Negative mass might unlock the stars. This theoretical matter pushes instead of pulls, and scientists are searching for it in particle accelerators. Planetary defense, lunar energy, and warp travel are one vision. A safe, prosperous humanity free to explore the cosmos. You are the eyes and ears of the cosmos. Through you, the universe becomes self-aware. You are part of this journey. Next-generation telescopes will see the surfaces of distant planets. We are about to look into the windows of our galactic neighbors. Solar sails use light pressure to navigate without fuel. It is a beautiful, simple way to travel across the solar system. Education is our most important mission. We need dreamers and engineers to help us navigate the stars. Everyone has a role. Black holes teach us about the nature of reality. They are gravity labs that help us weave together the technology of tomorrow. The stars are the destinations of our descendants. We are the pioneers of the 21st century, stepping into the light. We are building the railroad to the stars. Organizations like SpaceX and NASA are making space travel frequent and affordable. The universe's beauty is a gift, and its resources are a responsibility. Space gives us room to grow without destroying Earth. From planetary defense to the Alcubierre Drive, we are turning dreams into reality. The stars are waiting for us. Thank you for joining this journey. I hope you are inspired to think bigger and explore the mysteries of our universe. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay informed. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep looking at the stars.